वेलकम टू योर चैनल साइकोलॉजी सिंप्लीफाइड। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं डिप्रेशन के बारे में। 322 मिलियन पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड सफ़र फ्रॉम डिप्रेशन। अगर आप भी उनमें से एक हैं तो घबराने की कोई बात नहीं, दिस इज़ वेरी कॉमन। Depression falls into the category of mood disorder as we have discussed in our previous video. Depression, let's talk. It was the theme of 2017 World Health Day campaign. Now, talking about depression, it is an illness characterized by persistent sadness and a loss of interest in activities, accompanied by an inability to carry out daily activities for at least 2 weeks. In depression, feelings don't lift after a few days, they carry on for weeks or months and interfere with your life. Now, there is a good news for you all. It is not a sign of weakness and treatable with talking therapies or antidepressants, medication, or a combination of these as per the requirement. So let's see what are the symptoms of depression. Feel unhappy most of the time but may feel a little better in the evenings. Lose interest in life and can't enjoy anything. Find it harder to make decisions. Can't cope with things that you used to. जो काम हम पहले कर लिया करते थे बड़ी आसानी से, परिस्थितियों से लड़ते थे, लेकिन अब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें भी हमको तकलीफ देने लगती हैं. Feel utterly tired maximum time. A feeling of restlessness and agitation is prevalent. There is a loss of appetite and weight, or either it may be reverse also. You person may gain weight. Take 1 to 2 hours to get off to sleep and then wake up earlier than usual. A person loses interest in sex. When a person suffers from depression, he or she loses self-confidence. Feel useless, inadequate, and hopeless. Tendency of avoiding other people increases while suffering from depression. Feel irritable. For depressed people, usually thoughts of suicide. So in the 15 symptoms of depression which we talked, if you are suffering from 5 or more, please talk to counselor or to your family members. Now let us focus about what may be the probable reasons for the depression. Distressing events may be one of the reasons for depression. Under distressing events, it may be bereavement, divorce, medical illness, losing close relative, loneliness, financial crisis, etc. The second heading comes as a circumstances, so loneliness or very less social circle also causes a depression. Next comes physical illness, life-threatening illnesses, long or painful illnesses, and hormonal issues causes depression. Personality also plays a very important role. Type A personality people, ambitious, punctual and perfectionist, they tend to stress more easily, which may lead them towards depression. Alcohol distorts our brain chemistry, so regular heavy drinking, it makes depression worse. Women seem to get depressed more often than men. Marriage, childbirth, menopause, etc. makes them more vulnerable towards depression. Depression can run in families. If one parent has become severely depressed, then risk increases 8 times in child. Let's see regarding the solution available for depression. The solutions for depression comes under 3 headings. First one is self-help, second one is talking treatments, third one is antidepressant tablets. We'll discuss one by one. Self-help means by taking actions, individual can get out from depression, like not keeping the matter to self only, doing something about it, eating well, keeping away from alcohol, and having a proper sleep. Now if individual is not able to bear, then second one is talking treatment or psychotherapy. They can proceed for counseling, problem solving therapy, couple therapy, support groups, group therapy. These therapies are divided into different categories as per the requirement of a depressed person. So last one is medical care. One can take help of antidepressants with the prescription of doctor. Thanks for watching the full clip. Please subscribe and share and motivate this channel. And you can also comment for the inclusion of your desired topic. If something is bothering you regarding psychology or any issue, please comment. I'll try my best to make a clip on that issue.